Hello, Namaste everyone. Today I am going to show you how to conduct online games by using quizzes. I also teach you to create games and assign games as homework. Quizzes is very useful and engaging activity tool for online class. Let's start quizzes. For that, you have to open your browser. I'm going to open my Google Chrome browser. I have already opened it, so I'm going to click on this. Type quiziz.com, quiziz.com, Q-U-I-Z, quiz, then add I-Z-Z, quiziz.com. It's already open. I showed you again. Now, as a teacher, we have to select for teachers. Here you can see that it is 100% engagement platform. So for work, we can create account for work, for teachers, for school and district. School and districts are super version. We have to pay for this. For teachers, it's some features are easy. Free. So select for teachers. Then click on sign up to create new account. If you are new, you haven't any account. If you have already created account in quizzes, then you can log in here. Now I am going to click on sign up to create new account. You can see here continue with Google or continue with Microsoft, or you can type your email address here. Then click on next. Now I am going to continue with Google. I am going to select one of my account, this one. You can type your email address. Now Google account has already been created. So to create quiz here, you can see create button is here. Explore, my library, reports, classes, settings, and in more. You can log out of this quizzes account. See, log out button is here, just hidden by help. Log out here, profile, collections, then memes, settings, classes. You can create classes in quizzes also. You can print your reports here. I have already so many quizzes. So the reports are here. I can print it. And my library, I have made so many questions here. Now you are new. If you are new to this, then click on create button to create a quiz. Select quiz. Write quiz name. I am going to write mixed type question or general knowledge. Select subjects which you want. I am going to select mathematics, English and science. Physics also. No. Maximum 3 subjects only. So mathematics, English and science. Then click on next. And you see here, sort teleport questions. We can import questions from the collection. So I am going to show you how to sort questions from collection. So type here the keyword. I am going to select home of animal. So many questions are here, already so many questions. Just click on anyone you want and select the questions which you like. I am going to select this one, home of animals. The questions are shown here. Rabbits live in the huts. Rabbit lives in the burrow should be there. Then a lion lives in a den, but liar is given here. A spider lives in web. This one is important. So click on add to add questions. A horse lives in the stable. This is also very good question for early grade students. Click on add to add questions. A dot lives in the sty. Pig. Click on add to make add questions. Very easy. Just click on add to add questions which you want. Dot lives in the coop. Click on add to add questions. Now I have already selected 6 questions here. You can see question 6 teleported. So click on this one, right arrow button, which is in the top right corner. Click on this button, and I am going to show you how to make questions ourselves also. So click on new question. Select the question, type of question which you want. I am going to make multiple choice question. So select multiple choice question. I am going to insert one image. What is the name of this shape? Remember, you already have to download the image which you want to insert. Just click on image to insert image. Click on this FX button to add math equation. Click on image to insert image. Click on drag and drop button. Select the image which you want to insert. Double click on it. It takes some time. The picture is already inserted here. Click on done button. You can see the image of triangle is shown in preview. Now answer will be rectangle, triangle, a square, and circle. And select the right answer. The right answer is triangle. Just place your mouse cursor over this shaded tick button. Then click on it. The right answer will be selected. Just scroll down and select times yourself. I am going to give 20 seconds for this, or you can give 30 seconds. If 30 seconds also. Then click on save to save this question. Then again I am going to select make another question. Click on new. Click on fill in the blanks. And the value of 6 square. 6. Click on this button here. This button to write power. Then 6 square is. Then again click on this same button. Is equal to ... The answer is exactly 36. Add alternatives. The answer is exactly 36. Yes, no more alternative in feedback. In fill in the blanks. Then click on save button. Time 60 seconds. Just let's give 30 seconds only. Then click on save. Now click on new question. Select checkbox. And let's write one question from English. What is the opposite of happy? Answer will be sad. Or so just write the alternatives. Angry, happy, angry, sad. Select the correct answer. You can give more than 2 alternatives also. You can give some more alternatives. I am going to select the correct answer. The correct answer is sad. Then scroll down. Give time only. I am going to give 20 seconds for this. Then click on save. Now we can add quiz image also. If you click on this, you can add quiz image also from here. Now our quiz is already ready. So click on publish button. If the question is mistake, then you can click on edit button to edit question. You can copy same question, duplicate, and just add questions and alternatives. If the question is mistakes there, then you click on delete button to delete question. The question is ready. So click on publish to publish this question. Select the language. Language is English here. If the language is Nepali, select Nepali. Other language, then select other language. This will be suitable from class second. Let's say second to class 5. Public, visible to everyone. Then click on save. Now our quiz is ready. Then if you can assign this quiz as homework. You can assign homework. If you click on assign homework, then the homework will be assigned for 24 hours. See, you can click on this and select the date, select the month, select the date and select time, AM, PM. Then you can give assignment. Inactive games will expire after 6 months. Then click assign to assign this as homework. If you click on assign, then the link will be ready. Now see, the link is already here. Just double click on this, or you can share this link. Share link. Then if you click on this one, the link will be copied. Then you can share this link on Facebook. Share this link by Gmail, by Messenger, by WhatsApp, anywhere you want. The students will just click on the link and play the game. This game is only assigned as homework, so the students will play the game. You can monitor. Now I am going to show you how to start online games. The quiz was ready, so I am going to click on start or live quiz. Click on classic, then classic team, classic test. Let's select classic version, then click on continue. Wait for some time. Now see, the code is here. The code is here. I am going to show you from the student point of view. So I am going to click or open another account, Quizizz.com, and let's see the code again. The code is 745905. 745905. I am going to enter code here. 745905. 745905. Let's see the code again. 745905. So I have to enter 745905. This is the code. So the code is already inserted here. Click on join to enter into the game. This is the students portal. So click on write your names, demo students, and click on start. You may mute sound effects, mimics, and read aloud whatever you want. Then click on start. Let's enable sound effect and mimic also. Write your name and click on start. Wait until the host starts the game. Now this was the students portal. I am again moving to teachers portal. Here you can see live one students. One people has already joined. You can start this game only the player joins. Now already one player has joined in this game, so I am going to click on start to start this game. And if you want to share this link, then click on this button. Students will type joinmyquiz.com direct and enter this code, write their names, and they click on start to start the game. And if you want to share this code, then click on this link button. This button, game link is already copied. Then you can share that code via Facebook. Open your Facebook and send the code by using your messenger. Select the code to anyone, to your group. I am going to send this link to the online class 10. This is the group for online class. I am going to click on this and I am going to paste the link. So press Ctrl plus V together from your keyboard. Now then if I click on this button, the link will be same and our students will direct join the link, join the quizzes game by clicking on this link. They have to enter their names and click on the start. In this way you can share links. Okay, now live board waiting. I am going to click on start. Now this was the teachers portal. The game has already been started. Now from the students portal, let's play game. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the name of this set? Triangle. Select the correct alternative. Correct. Then click on this button or the game will automatically start. A horse lives in the options are buyer, stable, food. Stable is correct. In this way students will play and from the teachers portal you can monitor the progress. One student demo student is playing and he has got 1830 points. You can click on show on the top 5, you can click on question and finally you can print your report also. In this way you can start live games from quiz. Thank you. Please do like, comment and share. I am going to end this game. Click on this in button to end. And if I end the games, then students cannot play. See, you unlocked. Summary will be shown in a students portal also. Rank 1 by 1, 2 correct, 2 sticks, 5 unattempted, and the questions are also here. What is the name of the shape? And a horse lives in the ... The attempted question solutions are given here. And from live board summary, you can see the class accuracy, toughest question, longest question, interesting facts. You can print your report here. Download results. You can print download results. You can send the report to guardians also. See here, email all parents. You have to make emails of all parents, contact list of email. Then you can email all parents about their performance. So this is the very, very important and useful tool for teachers to make our online class interactive. Thank you.